In today's video, let me show you how to fix the PayPal login problem. If you're having issues logging into your PayPal account, the first thing that you can immediately do is try to change the password or reset your password. So once you type in your email address or your phone number, you'll be taken to this screen. Right here, you'll see the option called forgot password. Make sure you reset your password and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue is still not fixed, then what you can try out is try to clear the cache of the browser or the mobile app that you're using. If you're on the mobile app, tap and hold the app of PayPal, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and tap on clear cache. Once you complete this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues, make sure you have the latest version. So open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for PayPal, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update this application. Also, along with that, make sure that you're using a trusted device as well as you have disabled any sort of VPNs if you are currently connected to one. Lastly, if none of these solutions work out for you and you're still having issues logging in, then what you can do is try contacting the support of PayPal. So open up a web browser, search for PayPal contact, and make sure you contact them and tell them your exact issue. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix the PayPal login problem. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.